This is the Lodge 10¼ inch cast iron skillet, and check it out. This retains heat and evenly distributes it too. It has a long handle with a hole so you can hang it up, as well as a helper handle on this side as well. This is so versatile too. You can use it in the oven, on the grill, on the stove, and even the campfire too. And it's made of heavy duty cast iron, and the back side says Lodge, as well as on the helper handle. And this is so durable and strong, it can last for decades. Another nice feature is it has 2 spouts on either side, and it's made in the good old USA. So now we're gonna saute some mushrooms and onions. And the first thing we're gonna do is turn on the stove. We're gonna wait for this to heat up, and we're going to put a pat of butter, mushrooms, onions, as well as seasonings too. So let's start cooking. The first thing we're gonna do is put our pat of butter on the skillet and make sure it warms up so our food doesn't stick to it. And it adds such a delicious flavor. This butter is smelling so delicious. After the butter melts, we're gonna add the mushrooms. Mushrooms retain a lot of moisture, so we are gonna make sure to cook that thoroughly before adding the onions. Looks like it's all heated up. Now we're gonna add our mushrooms. And we're gonna saute this for about 10 minutes. It just smells divine. I can hear it sizzling already. I can see it smoking too. The nice thing about these cast iron skillets, the more you use it, the better it works. Every time you use it, you're supposed to oil it afterwards. Do not use any soap. Just use hot water. The nice thing about these cast iron skillets, the more you use it, the better it gets. Ooh, it's cooking up nicely. It's nice and sizzling now. Do you see how it's starting to get browned? And it just smells so good. I just love these cast iron skillets. You can use it to braise, broil, sear, bake, fry, and grill your food. How cool is that? Okay, so now it's time to add our onions as well as our seasoning. I decided to use red onions today. And now we're gonna add our seasonings. Since I have a little thyme on my hands, I'm gonna add some thyme, as well as salt and pepper too. It just smells amazing. I know my husband's gonna love this. After we're done cooking, it's gonna be very easy and simple to clean it. All you have to do is rinse it under water and scrub it with a scrub brush. And that's it. You don't even need to add soap. It actually will take away from the flavor and the seasoning too, and make sure it dries thoroughly. And then we're going to add a little bit more of oil to season it up, especially while it's still warm. Looks like it's done. And look how amazing that looks. Doesn't this look amazing? Let me take one little bite. Make sure you blow on it, it's still hot. Perfect. This Lodge iron skillet just works amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.